Oh, what's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your hotspot password on your phone. So as you can see, I'm on a Android phone or Samsung Galaxy, and so we want to look for settings. Now, once we find settings here, we want to click on that. And once you're inside the settings, you want to scroll down or look at the top. You will most likely see connection as the first option there. So you want to tap on that. Now, inside the connections, you want to look for where it says mobile hotspot and tethering. So you want to click in that. And once you're inside, in order to change your password, you want to go ahead and tap on it. So keep in mind, once you do that, you will see that you have the section for password there. You can click on it. Here's a password, and you can easily go ahead and change the password for whatever you want. So as you can see, this is my password, and I can go ahead and I can just type in something here and just, basically make something click and save. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you change your hotspot password on your phone. Very easy and very simple.